Hello everyone, I am glad you joined me in this fun segment. 15 minus 3 which equals 12 times 15 minus 3 which equals 12. Now we have this problem, 12 times 12 which equals, but this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations we have to work on the parentheses first, then work on multiplication, and at last work on adding and subtraction. So first we do this subtraction, then this multiplication, and at last this subtraction. So we have first this parentheses, 15 minus 3, 12. So we have 15 minus 3 times 12. Now we have one subtraction and one multiplication. We must do this multiplication first, then this subtraction. So 3 times 12 which equals 36. So we have 15 minus 36. So 15 minus 36 which equals minus 21. And this is our final answer for this problem. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel.